Hi, hello everyone. I am Subhrojit, Executive Lighting Designer at Jacquard Headquarters. My responsibilities is to enhance the beauty of architectural structures through the innovative lighting. Basically, I am from the city of Kolkata and I have pursued my education from there. After completing my engineering, I joined Maac Girish for my 3D and VFX course, and that was the best decision I have ever made. I wanna really thank to Mr. 𝒤𝒂𝒏𝒕, the institute director, and the supportive faculties for maintaining such a friendly and fantastic learning environment there. I believe there is never a wrong time to start learning. Check out this institute for 3D VFX and graphic design education. Keep learning, folks. Thank you.